Popularized by the design styles from New York to Palm Springs, National Hardware's Indio collection is the perfect addition to turn your outdoor space into a statement maker. We're going to install the L-strap, which is designed for a quick and easy install, perfect for any DIY project. Its sharp corners and black finish add a classic and sleek style to any backyard project. The perfect place for installing an L-strap is at the top where two beams meet. The L-straps have pre-drilled holes to allow for easy installation on any flat wood surface. I'll install the L-strap using National Hardware's decorative lag screws. It's as simple as aligning where I want the L-strap to be placed, drilling the holes with a 5/16 inch drill bit, and installing the lag screws with a 3/4 inch socket wrench. What I love about these collections is that they're designed with a storm shine finish. This means they're built to withstand any weather Mother Nature tries to throw at you. Rain, snow, dust, or a blast from the hose when the kids are playing. And now, thanks to National Hardware's Indio collection, we've updated this existing pergola with a sophisticated style that will withstand the test of time.